welcome to our Precalculus class. Welcome to Mathematics Anyone. Today I will teach you about the law of sines. Law of sines. Here I will divide my class into sections. The first section I will talk about the law of sines. I will to solve one problem like this one. The second part of my class I will show you how find the area of triangle using the sine formula, okay? So then this is a first part. I will to solve this problem, and then the second part I told you I will to find the area of the triangle, okay? First of all, here we need to remember something, right? In this class, very important. Remember, or you have to, review, memorize a little bit this thing. If you have a triangle like this, we have this triangle. I make a picture of the triangle. Okay, this is triangle. It's not a right triangle. Any kind of triangle. This is 8. A, right? Let's write B here and Z. So when we're talking about the sine or cosine or something like this, the capital letters is in the vertex. Those capital letters is the side of vertex, and then in the vertex, the side opposite to each vertex, we give it the small letter. I mean, this is capital, and then this is the low letter, right? Low letter, lowercase letter. Here, for instance, is B. This vertex is called B. Then the opposite side is a lowercase letter. Okay, the lowercase right here is A, like that. See, to understand about this formula. Then the formula is like this. We have this formula, very important. This is the main idea of our class. Please follow me. So we have sine here of 8 here is 8, and then we have sine equals B. We will have sine B, right? Then also it is equals C divided by sine C. So that's the main thing, the formula. Okay, we have to follow this rule. So to solve our problem in this case, I will erase all this information. Keep in mind or come back to review our video. You don't remember, you will not remember what about our formulas, ABC. Everything is about this triangle. Okay, so the capital letters are in the vertex, the corner. The lowercase letter is the positive side. You understand I'm talking about the size. Okay, so let's work in this problem. We have this problem right now. We have to find the not hypotenuse, because it's not a right angle. We are talking about the UV lowercase letter, this side. This is B capital letter. This is the vertex, 144 degrees. So how solve this problem? So since we know here, we know that the measure of the this case of W, we know this angle W. Also the length, we need the XB, right? And then also the opposite size, or we know the opposite size, the W is this one is 9, because 9 the opposite or W is 9. Let me write the idea. So since you know here, just follow strict this math. I would like to always teach slow. The measure here, measure of of, I told you, angle W. So we have the angle W. We have the measured angle W. The length, also the length, which sides? Length W. So I mean the lower case letter. So I mean this is equals 9, right? Of its opposite side. Opposite side. And so we are talking about the triangle. What else we know about this triangle? Then the measure. What else? The measure of angle B. Angle B, right? Also, the B. So we have used the law. Which law we have to use? The law of sines. Law of the sines of the sines to find the length of UV. These are talking about of the sides opposite to capital B. I will not write anymore of the sides opposite to the capital UV or this angle, right? Then remember the formula I gave it to you before, because I described what is the process that we do. Okay, so we have to use B here. All right. Then we have to write sine of V, this angle, I mean talking about, equals, remember the other one where we know W, because it's equals sines of W. We know those, right? Then next step here, you substitute. We have to substitute and use the, let me use the calculated. I need to use the calculated. All right, use the calculator right now. This is my cell phone where I use to do more easier. So just write it right here, B. We will have B here. Next step. This is right. Divided by sines. What is the sines? Sines of substitute 144 degrees, right? Right there. See, now equals, we have a W. How much is W? W is equals 9. This is low, sometimes confused. I don't know how, this is low letter case. This is low letter case. So the sign is, the barrel is we are talking about the vertex. So here, but you see here the numbers. So now in the barrel, sign of the over is the 14 right here. The 14 is let's write to sine of 14. All right, like that. Okay. So next step, I will write it all process right there because I don't have space right here. I don't like I will not erase the information. So now here B. Remember, we have to find the sine of 44 sines. Use your it's allowed. Use your technology, and then it is 44 is equals 0 right here, 0.57. 0.87. Point, and so on. So just use 3 numbers only. So 87. So then the next one, 9 divided by sine of 14. All right, this equals 0.241. Okay. So now how solve the problem? So then to simplify, it's easy. No worries. So write the same number, 87 here. So divide that number. Make a division. Too easy, the division. So it's gonna be 37 37 so on. So let's continue, but I'm gonna use 3 decimals only over there. Okay. So now you are there. Just this is division. Just move to multiply the other side. This number multiply. You are gonna have b. I mean this b equals. And you multiply. I mean, let me write it the other side. So 37 times 202. Like I'm gonna use the parentheses times 0.587. So like that. Okay, do operation. It's going to be not UV 27 point. Use three numbers only. 8866. So that's it. That's the answer. The north one. No, not 27. It's 21. 21. Sorry, no, not 27. Hey, 21. I 21. So use the north because it says the north. To the north. 10th is equals 21/8. Like that. That's it. That's the solution. This is our first part of my class. So the second one, the second section. So easy, right? Take note if you wanna some confused idea. All the steps are here. All right. So that's it for this problem. Now let's talk about the other. I told you the second section. I will to find the area. The area of a triangle. The triangle sine formula. All right, and then we have to find here in this point. Find. I will write the problem and then write the picture. Find W white and the let's write the problem. The area of the area. Yeah. The area of triangle. Let's call the triangle XYZ. And then let's make the picture of the triangle. The triangle, I will make the triangle right here. All right. I will write this is an a half, exactly an a half. I will call X right here, and then Z, and then Y over there. So all this area, I mean these sides is equals 46 millimeters, and then this is a square. I mean 90 degrees over there, 90 degrees, and then here is 30 this side, and then the what else we need more information here. Let's let me write 24 here. 24 degrees over there. 24. And then you see this this kind the problem is no, it's not confused. Just the calculated and then find the formula. It's not hard to have 40. It's not. Let me write this. 46, 30 millimeters, and 24. Right. Okay, so now let's go and do some step. We have to remember some idea here. Yeah, it's important. Remember, review area. The signs, for instance, we are talking about the signs or signs like this. Parenthesis sine or sin or angle. In a right triangle, is a radio. Is a radio. All right. Well, we are talking for the signs. We need to see the right triangle. It's a radio. So if the length, for instance, if the length of the opposite, I mean the opposite of the opposite I mean leg opposite divide by we have to divide by the length leg divide for the leg this is opposite, divide for the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse. All right, but it's hypotenuse. The opposite leg is the sides across the opposite leg is across the vertex or the specific angle. See, all right. The opposite for this angle, see the opposite side is this one, and this angle x, the opposite side is this one. Okay. Adjacent sides, we are talking about yeah, and this angle, the adjacent is this one. Depend or the opposite. Depend the which angle you are talking about. Okay, so let me show you in the picture that we have to remember. For instance, you have a right triangle like this, exactly like this. This is a right triangle. So we are talking about this angle, this vertex, this angle. Then the sine of x is like this: opposite side divided by hypotenuse. That's the sign. Okay. So the area of the triangle, you have to know area of the triangle is 1/2 by height. The base by height. 1/2 the base by height. Right? This is the area. 1/2 the base for the height. Right? That's the formula. Where b, I think I told you, b is the base and h is the height. Right? So we have to solve that problem. So solve this problem. Find the YW. We have to find YW. Where is white? Here, white is this one. I missed the number. White is we have to find this side, all right? Talking about it in the area of the x, y, z, x, y, z. We have to find the whole area, right? And then but to find that, we need to find what is the height here, or what is the side, the measure of this line, y, w, w, y, right? So that's the first step. So we have to see the whole triangle x, y, z. X, y, z is a right triangle. I mean, x, y, w is a right triangle, but this is a double. It's a double, right? Since angle x is opposite to y, angle x. Look at this. Since angle x is opposite of what? Angle x is opposite to what? To the size wy, right? Use the definition of the sine. We have to use the definition of the sines to write sine of x, right? Sine of x to in terms of y wy, in terms of wy, then solve for wy, right? So let's go. Let me write all data now in the formula. So we have to write sine of x. Like I told you, we know is x of x is equals wy, right? Wy divided by xy. All right. This is a definition. This is a definition of the sine. All right, that's the formula. Once you know that, remember this angle x is equals 24 degrees. So now sine of 24 degrees is 24 degrees the x, right? Equals wy. Wy, we don't know how much is, and then xy. How much is xy? Right here, xy is 30, right? Now we have to sign. Let me use my calculator. Use calculator, and then find. We have to find sine of 24. Sine of 24 is equals 0.04069. Yeah, 67, and then so on equals just write it do one more step. So now this is a division here. These numbers divide. We have to multiply by this. Multiply. So we will have 0.4067 times 30. You multiply that number, you will get it 12.20 and continue the more numbers equals wy. So that's this side. Right now we know the side. Okay, this side is right here. See, now find the area. We have to find the area. Find the area. Find the area. To find the area, now I will erase this once because I need to do another process. We don't need it. Just for find the area, I will erase this. Okay. All right. So you wanna know? So just come back to check the video. All right. Let's. I will keep this. So now we have to find the area here. I will keep this one. Find the area. All right. To find the area, just write area of triangle. What is the triangle of the triangle X, Y, Z is right there. Is equals equals 1/2. Remember the formula is 1/2 base times height. So where is the base? The base was the number that we get it. Remember the base? The number that we get it. So then we have here 1/2 for times 40, 46. Remember what's the number? The answer was 46, 12. The side, this one was W. This one have 46, 12, 20. No, but the base before. I don't want to confuse you. Let me write. We have these numbers right here. The formula, the base. What is the base? The formula, the height. What the number? What we get it? Is we need to switch the triangle like this. It's no, I don't want to change. Don't confuse you. So the base is 46 all the way. 46, 46, right? Times the number of the side is was 12 now yeah, we get it 12 20 20 12 20 20, yeah, or that was that number, right? So so will we go and have a 46? Multiply all that number. Multiply all this number by and then divide by 2. 46, 12 for 20 and divided by 2 is and a half, right? It's and a half. It's and a half that number. Very, very easy. So 280 point 62 6482. Yeah, that was it. I mean, this is I mean, continue. This is 280 64 82. That's the area. So the notice 10. The notice 10 is equals equals 280. It's 280.6. Yeah. Millimeters. The square millimeters, right? Remember? The square millimeters. I mean square. So that was the answer. So that's it. Area of the triangle sine formula. Remember, I give it to you the sine formula. How apply to find the area of this little triangle. Okay. So that's it. That's it for today. Thank you to be in a Matematicas. Anyone? I hope this class be helpful in your some problems that you have in a Precalculus class or in another kind of class. I hope this be helpful to you. So thank you so much. I'm waiting for you in next time in Matematicas. Anyone.